So we're going to be covering this table with removable adhesive surface paper or contact paper. I got this at my local Walmart. It's meant for counters and decorative covers, and it's removable, so I can change my mind later. Let's get opening. Easy liner. So we're going to measure out the length plus a little extra to go over the lips of the table. I'm going to measure to right there. I'm going to take my scissors and just cut straight down, leaving some extra room just because I mess up a lot in life and crafts and talking, recording, editing, and managing. Put that aside. We don't need that. Here is our beautiful top to our new work table. We're going to take it by folding it over in half and removing the adhesive on half of it at a time and sticking it where we want it. And then smoothing it out. This stuff is not the easiest to work with, but it's not the hardest. You just have to have patience, which I have a good amount. You learn patience when you're little, and you just practice it every day and get better at it, until one day you say to a random lady, I can wait, I have patience. Like other people don't, which is true. Not everybody has patience. Alright, so I'm going to fold over that much and carefully lift it and try again. Fold over that much. I'm going to carefully lift it and place it exactly where I want to, which is right at the edge with enough clearance. So, measure my clearance each side, and then I'm going to place it down. I'm going to softly press it down with my hand, and then I'm going to take my ruler, a straight edge, hard ruler, and just push it towards the edge. That way you can get all the bubbles out as I'm laying it down. Having a flat surface. Ooh, icky sound. There we go. Look how good that looks. To my horn here. The sound of bubbles coming out. I'm not going to get every bubble. That's because I'm not good at crafts. I like crafts. They help me with my anxiety. Help me feel like you can always pull it off. So It's removable, so if you feel bubbles on one side, pull it up. And smash it down. Alright, next we're going to challenge our edges. So I'm going to fold it over with my hands. I feel like that's going to be a better idea than, I don't want to break it. So just applying pressure and leaving some clearance for the corners because we are going to fold it over and do a hopefully hospital-like corner with the Exacto Knife. You mess up, it's removable, just take it up a little bit and re-put it down. This stuff, though it's called devil's paper, is very forgiving. Alright, now that we got that down, I can measure on the sides how much I need to cut off. I'm going to cut it off and not flip it under because it's just too much to flip under. And I have an Exacto knife that can cut pretty well. On the corners, we're going to pick which side we want to fold over and cut a slip through it, just like that. Now we're going to place it down and then fold it over very tightly. Then place the other one down and use the Exacto knife to cut straight down. Yeah, that worked. So we're gonna take the corner and cut straight out. Fold it over very tightly. My cat's playing with his little feather. And then our first little piece. I can go away. I'm going to do that for these other sides. It's good when you hold it out and hold it taut because it cuts it more straight as I cut a wee wall line. Who needs to cut straight today? Nobody. I'm hopefully going to get some more angles later on. Setting up more cameras, so hopefully. Now that we got the corners tight, we're going to work on the edges. So what we're going to do is take the Exacto knife and find the bottom of it, poke a little hole, and just slide it across the bottom. And then use our little thumb and roll over. And then we're going to do that to the other side. Nothing is perfect in this world. Nothing has to be. Okay, now we're going to do that to the other 4 sides. And then we're finished. Folding over with our thumbs to make a clean edge. Last side. Folding over with our thumbs. Make a clean edge. And there you have it.